Appreciated the presidential address, but by reason of the fact that it is nothing but jugglery of words, I am not in a position to appreciate it. It could be titled as "Baate Jada, Kam Kam," talk more, work less. People of the country have seen that in every field the government could not achieve what they promised. During last 9 months, we have seen their arrogation. Sir, few ministers have arrogated themselves with the power. Before I deal with the clause by clause of the address, sir, let me tell it to you that we have long been pursuing with the central government for waiver of the huge debt burden left upon us by the previous government in West Bengal. We have waited for more than 3.5 years with no result. But unfortunately, presidential address did not address our demand or grievance. Sir, I want to point out that we appreciate this, that the Government of India through the Ministry of Human Resource Development had published a message on the eve of the Matri-Bhasha Divas on 21st February 2015, in one of the national English daily newspaper in 22 scheduled language of India, where the Santali language, the Devanagari script have been used instead of old Chiki script. The script of the Santal community is old Chiki script. Please take corrective steps for future. Sir, Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, this has started already earlier. From Panchayat level, it's not a new one. In every Panchayat and village, there is no bank. Take steps to open the first bank branches of the bank in every villages. Sir, we have, in West Bengal, the government has let out of houses to bank in village level at the rate of ₹1 for the benefits of the villages. Sir, under direct benefit transfer program scheme, public are being harassed. They are spending more money to get subsidy. Regarding school toilet, we appreciate your view. In West Bengal, it is almost covered. But we have a request to the central government to take steps for cleaning of toilets. Provide 1% to clean toilets. Skill India is not a new concept. We have already made good numbers of ITI and Panchayat. And out of 341 blocks in the West Bengal, in 100 blocks, ITI and polytechnics have been completed. And in 100 blocks, these are under progress. Housing for all, we appreciate it. But you must clarify. What do you want to mean by that? Housing for all means 125 crores people of the country or one family? If it's a one family, how many members? It cannot be a vague one. So for financial benefits have been reduced by your government, this government, in 100 days work. And they have reduced it from 1.50 lakhs crore to 1 lakh crore. Instead of 100 days, it has gone down to 40 to 50 days. They have reduced it, the financial benefit, also for construction of the Gramin roads. So far land bill is concerned, we are opposing it. Sir, let us very much clear that in 2013 also we oppose the bill because the cultivators' rights cannot be taken away. Sir, in 2007, our leader Mamata Banerjee has gone for fasting for 26 days for the Singur at Calcutta. And I am not taking the name. One of the very stalwart leader of the Bharatiya Janata Party had gone that time and was with the Mamata for few hours. I convey my heartiest thanks to that leader on behalf of my party. I request that leader, sir, which you stood for on that day, today, also you stand for that grievances of the cultivators. Do not take away the right of the cultivators. Sir, we are opposing it. Sir, churches are being burnt. Sir, Dharmantakaran, sir, is going on in every state. They always quote often, नहीं है, मन का जब विकास है, वो मन का विकास में धर्म रहता है, धर्म अलग जगह में नहीं रहता है. Sir, I tell you, during the Christmas vacation, I went to Turkey. At Cappadocia, I had one guide. He was telling me that the Turkey is a secular country. He told me that 98% Muslims are there at Turkey. I asked him, what is your religion? He said that he was Muslim. He asked me, what is your religion? I said, I am Hindu. Then, sir, what he said? He said, sir, your religion is the origin of all religions of the country. Your religion is having two important features. I asked him, what is that important feature? He said, first one important feature is this, not to kill any life. And second important feature, he said, sir, second important feature is love by each and every one in the world. They respect that view. And what is that? He said, your Hinduism says to respect and tolerate all religions in the world. That is the foundational of the Hindu religion, sir. Sir, I will request, in the lands of the Turkey, I was thinking, had this Muslims guides message was conveyed to the members of the ruling party, our country would have been gone into the correct directions and in the correct path. Sir, I will request the Honorable Prime Minister, please, first decide your vision, then take your decision. Kindly, Honorable Prime Minister, do not be prisoner of indecision in this country in respect of the religion's emotion and religion thought. Sir, girl child is good, but what you have done? Are you asking for only advertisement, propaganda, prachar? What you have done? 100 crores have been allocated to the girl child's benefit. In our state, our chief ministers, only for one state has allocated 1,000 crore for the girl's child in a benefit of Konyasri scheme. Sir, if you want, we are ready. We are ready to cooperate with you in all respect of the field for the women of the country. There, sir, I read one just, I tell you, just I am remembering now. I read long back, in the Second World War, in the German, all persons of the country's citizens have gone to the battle for the country. Then one professor was reading in his library. The one soldier came to his library and wanted to kill him. Professor asked him, why you are killing me? Then the professor said, the soldier said, every one of the country has gone for the battle for the country's sake, and you are reading in your library. Then the professor asked him, what do you mean by the country? Then he described country, north is this, south is this, east is this, west is this. We are having 5 crore people. And lastly said, our culture. Then the professor said, victories are gained, peace is preserved, history is made, not in the battlefields, but in the educational institution. Education is the seabed of culture. It has to be improved. But allocate money. Don't go by pressure. Don't go by advertisement. Go by work that will fulfill the purpose. You allocate. We'll request the Honorable Prime Minister. You have undertaken a job, fulfill it. Someone was referring to the Swami Vivekananda early in the morning. I will tell this, that the person who was telling, kindly convey to the Honorable Prime Minister, following Swami Vivekananda. If you want to build up, if you want to really help the girl's child, allocate 50,000 crores for that scheme. Only in that case it can be done. Otherwise cannot be done. To make this scheme effective, it is needed. Otherwise this scheme will be advertisement and for the purpose of the government. Sir, health is the state subject. Leave it to the health, but allocate money to the state governments so that state government can work. Provident fund and employee state insurance benefits are not being given to the workers at all. They are still during 9 months, they are running for the provident funds benefit. Contracted laborers in this country, they don't have the security in their employment. Nobody has thought about that. Sir, during last 15 Lok Sabha, Coal Standing Committee has submitted a recommendation to the government that whenever any contract labor is there for a period of more than 5 years, if it is a perennial character, frame out a scheme, absorb the contract laborers there, don't keep the contract laborers in their workshop decades after decades, don't exploit them. Sir, e-government procured and transfer of all we have done in our state, it is not a new thing you are doing. We have a question. You are talking about the governance. Do you have any administrative calendar? Whether your Prime Minister does hold any meeting in the grassroots level for the purpose of the good governance? Our Chief Minister has done it. 80 meetings, more than 80 meetings has been done by our Chief Minister in the grassroots level. Sir, maximum governance, you have to, sir, now the problem is our country is this. Where is the trust? First, the government they have to trust upon the ministers and the administrative officers. Let that trust be built up first. Sir, Digital India, what Digital India has been made for advertisement? Even in that Delhi, even at that Delhi, even in the MP's house, we don't get any Wi-Fi benefit. We don't have any Wi-Fi benefit. If you use MTNL, every minute it is being dropped. For conversation of 5 minutes, you have to give a call from your MTNL mobile, which has been given to us by the Parliament. That 5 times you have to call the persons. Nothing. Digital India, good, very good, but make it effective. Make it bring it to the people at large. Power crisis should not be remain in the summer. Power, you are talking about power. What power benefits you have given? Nothing has been done. In every state, almost in the northern states, and that power crisis is there. Because of the power crisis, water supply is not there. I went to Bangalore few days back. Bangalore people was telling there is a dearth of water. Water supply is not there. What has been done? Nothing has been done. It is only for the advertisement purpose. FDI, we are opposing. We are opposing to the FDI, sir. Do not try to sell this country. Do not try to sell this country to the foreign investment, foreign investors. This country is having lot of investors. This country is having so many industrialists. This country is having lot of retailers. Don't sell the country to the foreigners. Don't be an agent of the foreigners in this country itself. Do not sell the country in the foreign itself. Sir, DC Port, we appreciate your DC Port scheme. DC Port, Singur, we have given. That's the reason people has given us verdict. DC Port, we are welcoming it. In Sundarban, DC Port, the state government has cleared everything so far DC Port is concerned. I will request the honorable concerned minister kindly take steps for the deep sea port is concerned. In respect of black money, it has become a mockery. Every people of the country loves towards you when you say that we will recover black money. You have spoken, you have made a promise. You have made a promise, the government has made a promise that within 100 days, money will be taken it back. 100 days have gone, 9 months have gone, the black money has not yet been reached. 15 lakhs people have not yet got it. Sir, so far this concern is concerned. You have got the result. Don't talk about Sadda and etc. No nice thing. You have lost there at Bonga by-election more than 220,000 votes. Don't open your mouth. Your mouth has been shut down by the peoples of the Bengal. Nothing is there. Why Amit Shah? Question. Why? Before 15 May 2014, CBI has said in the Gujarat case, there are materials against 1%. Now after the election is over, materials are not there. This is surprising. They are surprising.
Address to the chair.
And they are surprising. Therefore, sir, they have got their lesson. If that is the reason, sir, I was telling initially, few of the council of ministers have arrogated themselves with the power. Now I say, every members of the Bharatiya Janata Party have arrogated themselves with the power. They are having the power, they bulldoze everything. They are having the power, become vindictive. They are having the power, put the persons into the jail. They are having the power, talk the mouth of the persons who are opposing you. This is the Bharatiya Janata Party. This is the ruling party is concerned. It is being done. Sir, Delhi has given a result to them. Delhi has given a lesson to them. Bihar is waiting in 2014. Bihar is waiting. You wanted to break through in the Bihar. You could not achieve. Bihar is waiting. Come on 2016. We'll show you what is Mamata Banerjee. We'll show you to you. Do not tell us about anything. Come, somebody will be flowing from Gujarat.
Please the address to the chair. Please the address to the chair.
Pardon?
Address to the chair.
Addressing. Somebody will be flying from Gujarat and someone will be flying from Delhi. They can't take the hold of the Bengal. Banglar mati durjoy khati. Bujenik durbitto. Banglar mati da asun. Banglar mati durjoy khati. Delhi se उड़ के और गुजरात से उड़ के कुछ नहीं होता है. Sir, I tell you one important fact. You will be surprised to know their party is president. In the state level, he has lost all elections, like 12 to 14 elections. That is the BJP party in the West Bengal. They are thinking, Hindi में एक गाना है sir. Kindly just permit. हिंदी में एक गाना है. कुड़ी मेरी सपने में मिलते हैं और उन लोग के सपनों में मिलते हैं. 2016 में कलकत्ता का राजधानी का वो रह जाएगा. कुड़ी मेरी सपनों में मिलता है. वो लोग के सपने में रहता है. सपने में रहने दीजिए. कोई असुविधा नहीं है. Again I am saying, coming up April 2015, come there and let us see your strength and let you see the strength of Mamata Banerjee in West Bengal. Thank you, sir, for giving me time.